So here we have the Ford Fiesta EcoBoost Titanium on a 17 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we're going to hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see as we approach the boot area, we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so I'm just going to work my way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition, as are the carpet areas. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we've got the fuel gauge, and then above that, we've got a trip computer, which includes the total miles on this car, which are 8,486. You can change the information displayed up on there by pushing the button on the end of the left-hand indicator stalk for various different pieces of fuel economy information. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, we've got cruise control. And on the left-hand side, we've got stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button in the middle, ask it to dial someone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you. The phone itself is initially paired up using the stereo and the center screen over here. So first of all, before we come to that, when it comes to music, we've got FM, AM, and DAB digital radio. This car's got a CD player, USB input, so you can plug in a USB device with music saved to it, and also Bluetooth audio. So once you've paired up your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth as well. So lots of ways to listen to music. This car's also got satellite navigation, which appears up on that screen as well. The main stereo unit there has got the CD player at the top of it. Some of the options are mentioned down the side here, and then nav, for example, just on there as well. Underneath that, we've got climate control for the car. So select the fan temperature, or fan speed, sorry, over here. The temperature over this side. Hit AC to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto and it will maintain that temperature for you. We've also got a heated front screen just there. Beneath that, we've got the button for stop and start. So this car's designed to cut out in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that off should you wish to. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, and the USB input, as you can see just there. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.